Guard Dog Security presents the industry-exclusive Protected for Life program. This initiative was designed to continue our plans for long-term consumer protection and security. By signing up for the Protected for Life program, you're guaranteed free replacement pepper spray in the event you're forced to use your spray in self-defense. Because we don't believe you deserve to carry partially used pepper spray. In the unfortunate event of use, obtain an official report and then contact one of our Guard Dog Security customer care specialists and notify them of the incident, and we'll replace your unit for free. There's no catch. The Guard Dog Protected for Life program is absolutely free. After purchasing one of our Guard Dog Security products from an authorized retailer, visit our website and register. We'll email you a certificate with a unique serial number. And just like that, you're enrolled and carrying red hot pepper spray with the peace of mind you deserve. We're committed to your security and believe in providing you the necessary assurance to give you the confidence and sense of protection that comes with Guard Dog Security.